So, I made a terrible mistake. Well, it wasn't a mistake. I forgot. I thought I did it, but I did not disconnect my batteries from the golf cart motor over the winter. So there was a small draw on them throughout the winter, meaning the charge got down and they froze and are now ruined. And that's an expensive lesson to learn. 6 of these from Battery World, Trojan brand 8-volt batteries, were running you over $1,400. And I'll just show you what happened here. So they exploded. You definitely want to ensure these are fully charged and even trickle charged over the winter. So what I did to save a little bit of money, and I'm going to get sworn at by those golf cart purists out there, but instead of 6 times 8 equals 48 volts, so instead of 6 8-volt batteries in series, I got 4 12-volt batteries. Now, make sure that these are deep cycle batteries. They're not regular car batteries. They're not made for cranking amps. They're optimized for having a draw put on them for longer periods of time. They will operate better when being drained lower, and they're meant to be drained and then recharged, unlike a car battery, which is meant to be held at full charge. So I've hooked them up in series. I have the negative lead from the motor, and then positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative, then positive to the motor. And by hooking them up in series, you simply add up the volts. 12, 24, 36, 48. 48 volts. Now this is not the ideal nor the recommended method. You should definitely go with the 8-volt batteries. And if I was doing 36 holes of golf on a weekly basis, or even every day, I would not do this. But this is for banging around at the lake. It's going to be used for small, short trips. Never be ran more than, like I would say, the longest run we've ever gone is an hour at a time, and then I charge it back up again. So it's an older cart. Didn't want to pour $1,400 worth of batteries into it. So I was able to go to Costco and get their Kirkland brand marine batteries, and they cost a total of just shy of $500. So save quite a bit of coin there. It's expensive lesson nonetheless. So what you're going to want to do, disconnect this lead that goes to the motor, and that far lead, the positive that goes to the motor. Disconnect them completely, and you should be good all winter. As long as you put it away charged and you keep it trickle charged all winter, they'll last you years and years. This has lasted me several years up until now, and I just made a stupid, regrettable, I just forgot. So that's all you can do. Live and learn. I thought I'd share this with you. Like I said, always use the recommended batteries from the manufacturer, but if you want to cheat and you don't need it for multiple rounds of golf in a day, then this might get you through. Deep cycle. Make sure they're deep cycle batteries. Thanks for watching.